phone cases are everywhere. Why not cash in? I show you how to create sellable designs with MidJourney in just minutes. Okay, first of all, what makes a phone case? Well, we got a relatively small canvas, and the design may or may not include a phrase. Well, the big advantage of phone cases is that we don't have to remove the background, because the print is just all over the case. In print on demand, this is called an all-over print. Of course, you could just take your t-shirt designs and put them on phone cases, but these don't sell as good as you would design specifically for phone cases. Phone cases are popular on platforms like Amazon or Redbubble. Let's research on Redbubble. Okay, so here we have the website redbubble.com, and because I'm German, I have the German website. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to scroll at the bottom of the page and set it all to English. Language English, country is United States, and the currency is US dollars. Okay, here we go. Now we got a real American website, and that's where I want to do the research. So at the top right here you got gifts, clothing, stickers, phone cases, wall art, home and living, and so on. So let's click on this button, phone cases, and here we go. You can already select them for the different kinds of iPhone models or Samsung Galaxy models. What's nice about Redbubble is that it already gives you the best-selling iPhone cases and the best-selling Samsung Galaxy cases right here. That makes it really easy for our research. So let's just select the iPhone cases. Let's click on this button, see all. Okay, here we go. This one looks quite interesting. It says Space Turtles. Let's take a look. Okay, this one looks quite cool. Looks like a hand-drawn phone case. So let's save this tab and let's go back to the search results. Let's see. This one looks quite interesting. Let's take a look. Yeah, this one looks quite funny. It's an illustration of a cat in an UFO, and it's beaming up these fishes. So let's save this one. Let's see what we got. This one says Tokyo, a neon wonderland. Let's take a look. Okay, it looks quite interesting. It's got these neon colors in an Asian city. It's got this vaporwave style. Okay, let's save this one too. So now we have these space turtles, then we have this cat in an UFO, and then we have this Tokyo neon wonderland. So let's start with the first one. So of course we got MidJourney on our hand, and the goal is not to copy this design. We want to create our own unique designs. So now we have to think about what can we change about this design, or how can we scale this design to all the different kinds of niches. To make this process fast and easy, we use ChatGPT. So we start off by taking a partial screenshot of that. On Mac you can just press Shift, Command and 4, then you can make a partial screenshot like this. So here we are in ChatGPT, and you click this paperclip icon, then you upload the screenshot that you just took, and then I just prompt describe this image. Hit enter, and then we get this description of this image. And what we do now is we type in, write this as a prompt for an AI art generator. Give me 5 new prompts with different kinds of animals. Let's see what we get. Okay, we get space penguins, astronaut foxes, space jellyfish, astronaut owls, and galactic cats. That's quite interesting. So now we can use these prompts to generate new phone cases. Now you need the aspect ratio of your phone case. That really depends on the platform where you're selling your phone cases. As I've already mentioned, you can sell them on Redbubble or on Amazon Merch. Now we do this example for Amazon Merch. You go to the resources tab on the top right here. Then you click on download product templates. Then you scroll down, and here we are. Here are the iPhone cases. And they basically give us the exact resolution of the iPhone cases. And that's not only the resolution, but also the aspect ratio that we need. So in our case, it's 1800 by 3200 pixel. Now let's go to MidJourney. Well, actually we first need to go to ChatGPT. So we start with the space penguins. Let's copy this prompt. Now we go to MidJourney. So here we are in my MidJourney Discord. So we type in -imagine. Copy the prompt, paste the prompt. Then you type in --AR 1800 divided by 3200. Press enter. Okay, it's done. And as you can see here in the prompt, it changed the aspect ratio to 9:16. So it calculated the aspect ratio a bit easier for us. So we just have to type in 9:16. Okay, let's look at the results. Okay, this looks quite cool. Now this is the original design right here, and these are our designs that we created, and actually they all look quite cool. You can see that the style is very different from the original one, but I think that's okay. I think that's even better for us, because we don't want to copy the original design. So the first two are more in this realistic CGI style, and the last two are more in this illustration style. So I think number 4 is the closest you can get to the original style, but these can all work quite good. Let's test the next prompt. Now we get astronaut foxes. Let's copy this prompt, go to MidJourney, type -imagine, paste it right here. Then you can just type in --AR 9:16. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, that's quite interesting. These foxes have these special glasses on and also a type of spacesuit, and they are all in this CGI style. Now let's see if we can get it to this illustration style. So let's just copy this prompt, type in imagine, paste it. Then we add to the prompt cute illustration style. Let's add hand drawn. Press enter and see what we get. Okay, let's take a look. Now this result is way different than the first one. Now these really don't look hand drawn to me, but the style is more kids friendly and I would prefer this style over the first style. If I have to choose one, I would pick the last one right here. You also have to keep in mind that you have to leave some space right here for the camera cutout. So I wouldn't pick this one, as you would cut out the fox right here. So this design is great. I would just pick the last one right here. Now you could do this process for the next prompts that we got in ChatGPT, but let's jump to the next example from Redbubble. So the next example is this alien cat. Now let's take a partial screenshot of that. Okay, actually you can click the last image right here and get the whole design without the phone mockup. So let's make a partial screenshot of that. Then we upload this design. Then we just type in describe this image, press enter. Then we can basically copy this follow-up prompt from our first example because it also involves animals. Paste it and hit enter. Now we get 5 new prompts with different animals. Of course we get the dog astronaut in the UFO. We have the flying whale spaceship, then octopus in a hovercraft, flying fox in a spaceship, and a space turtle in a cosmic bubble. Okay, seems like ChatGPT got really creative right here. So let's first copy the first one. Go to MidJourney and type in imagine, paste the prompt. Don't forget the aspect ratio, --AR 9:16. And let's see what we get. Okay, it's done. Let's take a look. Okay, this one is quite funny. Here we have some mushrooms and the background is really colorful in all these pictures. In the last one you can even see the dog that gets beamed up to the UFO. Okay, these are all quite funny in my opinion. Now it's really hard to pick a winner right now. I would pick the third one right here and just scale it to the different kinds of dog breeds. You would just change out the dog breed in your prompt and then generate whole new designs. And then you could target these phone cases to all the different kinds of dog breeds. Actually, I really like the colors on the second one right here. Okay, please write in the comments what you would pick. Okay, let's see. This one says space turtle in a cosmic bubble. Let's just try this one. Copy it, go to MidJourney, type in -imagine, paste it. Then you type in --AR 9:16. Okay, let's take a look. These look quite interesting. Okay, we have to keep the camera cutout in mind. So let's see if we can modify the prompt. Let's just copy it. Then you type in -imagine, paste it. Then it says a giant sea turtle floating peacefully inside a shimmering cosmic bubble. Then I add at the lower half of the image. I don't know if this works, but let's just test it. Okay, it's done. Let's take a look. Nope, it didn't really work. But you also got really cool images. So let's go back to our other prompts. So let's try the flying fox in a spaceship. Copy it and paste it into MidJourney. Okay, it's done. Let's take a look. These look quite cool. So I would pick the third one right here, as I like the colors. You can clearly see the fox right here, and you have some space for the camera cutout. So this design is quite perfect for phone cases. Now let's go to our last example. So here we have the Tokyo Neon Wonderland. Let's go to this design right here and make a screenshot of that. Now it's basically the same process. Upload it to ChatGPT and prompt describe this image. Now of course we don't have animals included in this design, so we have to think of a new follow-up prompt. So I just typed in, write this as a prompt for an AI art generator. Give me 5 new prompts with different cities and sceneries. And press enter. Okay, we got our new 5 prompts. We got the Parisian cyberpunk night. We got New York skyline at dusk. We got the futuristic Marrakesh market. We got Venice in the year 3025. And we got cyberpunk Cairo. And that's quite creative. Let's try the first prompt. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, that's quite cool. We got basically the same neon style like in the original image. Here we have the original image. And you can clearly see the Eiffel Tower in the background and some neon signs. This could be an alley in Paris. Of course in this neon style. These all look quite interesting. if I had to choose a winner, I would pick the last one right here, because I like the colors the most. Actually, the first one looks also quite cool. As you can see, it's sometimes really hard to decide. Okay, let's take a look at the other prompts. Let's take New York skyline at dusk. Imagine, paste it, --AR 9:16. Okay, it's done. Let's take a look. Okay, they all look quite nice. You can see a lot of these yellow caps. And it's quite in this realistic style. The last one is the most futuristic. So if I had to choose a winner, I would pick the first one. Or the last one, as it looks quite interesting. Now all you have to do is pick your images from MidJourney and upscale them to the resolution that you need. If you want to learn how to upscale these images for free, then click on this link right here. Now if you want to create patterns instead of these phone case designs, then check out the next video right here on this channel.